will and parachute all the guns of the force. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door. Coming. Make your jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachutes, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone. Rig our check into the dawn. At station time to fight them.
So, you've heard of Tru-Grit. Well, this is Tru-Grit. Who are you, and tell us about your company.
Well, we're Tru-Grit. We're out in Ontario, right below the Ontario Airport on Francis Street in Grove. And we sell everything that you need to start and finish a knife, from the handle materials to the steels themselves. We've even brought a selection of Damascus steels, which is a stainless steel Damascus from Switzerland. And then we also have all the handle materials. That way you can put them on your blades. So we try to carry everything that you need to make the knife from start to finish, and we have all your abrasive beads, from sanding paper for hand sanding to belts for your grinders.
So basically we're giving the people the opportunity to not just buy a knife, but to make something unique to themselves, to make their own family heirlooms.
Exactly. You come down, you can make your own. We even have a heat treating service where we can harden your blades after you've already made them. That way it's all in-house, and we can ship them back to you, or you can come and pick it up if you're in person. And then if you have any questions or concerns about knife making or any of the materials, you can feel free to give us a call. And if we can't answer it, we have a knife maker that's been doing knives for 30 years, and he can get you your answers and get you all squared away as far as heat treating recipes and how to do certain grinds in different styles.
So just remember, if you've been thinking about a certain style of knife that you have not necessarily seen somebody else do the way you want it, you can actually come here and they can help you to facilitate what is in your head and then put it in your hand.
Exactly.
All right, thank you so much, and as always, have a nice day.
Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachutes, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone. Rig our check into the dawn. At station time to fight them all the 82nd way. Hey!